I honestly thought creating a talking AI avatar was going to be easy. Like a quick setup and done. I was so wrong. I spent 3 entire days trying different apps, watching confusing tutorials, and nothing looked the way I wanted. Everything either looked super robotic or cost hundreds of dollars per month. If you're trying to create professional-looking AI avatars without overcomplicating the process or breaking the bank, I want to show you the 4 simple steps that completely changed how I do this and will help you achieve stunning results much faster. Most people think you need expensive software like Synthesia that costs $30 plus per month or hire professional video creators for thousands of dollars. But HeyGen actually lets you create incredibly realistic talking avatars completely free. And I'm talking Hollywood-level quality that will blow your mind. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create your own AI avatar, make it say anything you want, and export professional videos that look like you hired a whole production team. Plus, I'll share the exact link in the description. No special discount needed, because the free version is already amazing. Step 1. Create an account and log in to HeyGen. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started is literally so much easier than I expected. When I first signed up for HeyGen, the AI immediately gave me access to over 100 pre-made avatars. I literally gasped because they looked so real, like actual people, not those creepy robotic faces you see everywhere else. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, go to heygen.com. I've put the link in the description below, so you can check it out. Then, you could sign up with your Google account or write your email address and click on Get Started for free. No credit card required, which is honestly refreshing these days. Once you're in, you'll see that the dashboard and the interface are user-friendly and clean. Now, we can continue by clicking on Avatar in the main menu, and boom, you're ready for the magic to happen. Here's what most people don't know. HeyGen gives you 1 free video generation every month, which is perfect for testing and short social media clips. That's way more generous than most AI tools, but wait until you see what happens next. Choosing your avatar is where things get really exciting. Step 2, create AI avatar. Now here comes my most mind-blowing part, picking the perfect avatar that actually matches your vibe. When I scrolled through HeyGen's avatar library, the diversity literally made me emotional. There are people of every age, ethnicity, style, and profession, from casual millennials to business executives to creative artists. I spent like 20 minutes just browsing because they all look so real. Here's your step-by-step process. You could use public avatars by clicking on the menu and selecting the categories based on your style preference, such as professional style, lifestyle, UGC, and community. Look for avatars that match your target audience. If you're making content for young entrepreneurs, pick someone who looks approachable and energetic. For business content, go with professional attire. The key is choosing someone your viewers will connect with instantly. But we're going to create a new avatar. So we're going to click here, Create Avatar, at the top section. After that, we can see 2 options here. First, we could clone a real person. You could use this option if you want to create an avatar based on a real person. If you want to create a virtual avatar, click on the second option. We can either upload photos or design with AI. If you already have a designed avatar, you could directly upload it from your device. And if you don't have any, click on Design with AI. They'll ask basic information about our avatar preference, including name, age, gender, ethnicity, appearance description, and others. Make sure to fill all the columns. On the appearance description column, you could use this formula to create a detailed prompt for a super cute result. Subject plus face shape and facial features plus special details plus attire and style plus environment and background plus lighting and camera, quality plus behavior and expression. So, here's an example of description with the same formula. Elegant Japanese woman, late 20s, oval face, high soft cheekbones, large almond eyes, straight delicate nose, tiny mole on nose, bridge and near eye, cupid's bow lips, dewy skin, black velvet dress, minimalist warm studio, wide curtains, 85mm lens, cinematic soft lighting, graceful calm smile, subtle head tilts. After that, you can adjust the orientation, pose, and style. HeyGen has many available options for style like realistic, Pixar, cyberpunk, and much more. Then we can continue by clicking on Generate Preview. The process is just around 15 to 30 seconds, and trust me, it's so worth it. Once it's ready, you can select one of 4 generated avatars and click the save button. If you didn't find any of your taste, you could click on generate again or click on the edit prompt button. Now we can move to select the voice for our avatar. We can use one from HeyGen library. You could use the filter language, gender, or filter for use cases to find the one that matches your avatar. We can also create a new voice for our avatar by hitting voice design. Choose your favorite voices and use it to your AI avatar. Here's what most people don't know. You can actually save multiple favorite avatars and switch between them for different types of content. I have 3 go-to avatars depending on whether I'm making tutorials, promotional videos, or casual content. Trust me, once you see your avatar come to life, you'll be totally obsessed like I am. Step 3, write script or upload audio. Now here comes my most creative part, bringing your avatar to life with the perfect script. When I first typed my script into HeyGen, the AI not only made my avatar speak perfectly, but also added natural gestures and expressions. I literally watched my avatar nod, smile, and use hand movements that matched the tone of my words. It was like watching a real person. Here's exactly how to do this. We move to the AI Studio menu, and then the main creation page will show up. On the top left, you can write the title of the video, and then select horizontal or vertical options for your video. Now, look at the right side and click on Avatar. Then, select the one we created earlier. After that, type or paste your prompt. In the script box, you can either type your message directly or upload an audio file if you prefer your own voice. For beginners, I recommend typing because you can edit easily, and the AI voices are surprisingly natural. You can use it on the AI Tools menu and then select Script Writer. The AI will write a script based on your input. The AI handles punctuation really well, so using commas for pauses and exclamation points for excitement. Here's what most people don't know. If you add emotional words like excited, amazing, or incredible, the avatar actually changes their facial expressions to match. The AI is smart enough to read the emotion in your text and adjust the performance accordingly. But the real game changer happens in the next step when we optimize everything. Step 4. Optimize output and export. Now here comes my most satisfying part. Watching your professional video come together in just minutes. When I hit generate video for the first time, I expected to wait forever, like with other AI tools. But HeyGen literally processed my 30-second video in under 2 minutes. And the quality was so crisp, I thought I hired a professional videographer. Here's your final step-by-step process. Hit generate button and add your title. Then for the resolution, you have 3 options. 720p, 1080p, and 4K. Then for the file format, select MP4. Then hit the submit button. Your video will be ready in less than 2 minutes depending on length. Once it's done, you can preview it, make edits if needed, or download it directly to your computer. Here's what most people don't know. You can actually generate multiple versions with different backgrounds or voices to A/B test what works best for your audience. I always create 2 to 3 versions and see which one gets more engagement.
Hey, I'm Sarah. I'm the kind of person who loves turning simple moments into something meaningful. Whether it's a small idea or a big dream, I'm always curious enough.
Let me break down the real numbers for you because this honestly shocked me when I calculated it. If you hired a professional video creator for AI avatar content, $500 to $2,000 per video. If you learned complex video editing software like After Effects, 40+ hours of tutorials plus monthly subscriptions. With HeyGen's free plan, literally $0 for 1 minute of professional content every month, plus the option to upgrade for just $24 per month if you need more. I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, or the free version probably has terrible quality. I thought the exact same thing, but honestly, the free version quality is identical to the paid plans. You just get less generation time. What if I'm not tech savvy? Listen, if I can do this, anyone can. I'm the person who still asks my nephew to help with my phone settings, and I created my first avatar in under 15 minutes. Will people know it's AI? Only if you tell them. The avatars are so realistic that I've had viewers ask me when I hired a spokesperson. The lip sync and expressions are that good. Here's exactly what you need to do right now. Click the link in my description to sign up for HeyGen completely free. No credit card, no trial period that expires, just instant access to create your first AI avatar. Once you create your first avatar, come back and comment below with what you made. I read every single comment, and I'm genuinely excited to see your creations. Tag me if you post your avatar videos on social media, because I love sharing amazing content from this community. If this tutorial helped you create something amazing, smash that subscribe button, because I'm constantly testing new AI tools and sharing the best free resources for content creators. Hit the notification bell so you never miss when I find the next game-changing tool. Your future self will thank you for taking action today instead of just watching tutorials forever. But just a quick heads up, HeyGen offers a generous free trial to get you started. And once you're ready to take your content to the next level, they do have paid plans for continued use.